Problem 1.6, a square field measuring 100 meters by 100 meters is an area of 1 hectare if an acre has an area of 43,600 feet squared. If a lot has an area of 17.0 acres, what is its area in hectares? So, one thing that we need to know that they don't really mention, you're going to have to get from customary, or the US customary units to metric. So some of the things that would help, the one that I know just right off the bat, and you probably should too, it's really helpful, is 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. This is infinite significant figures. It goes exactly that many times in the 1 inch. So that's how we get from customary to metric. And then also 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. And just because, we can also mention 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. If you weren't sure how we were going to get from there all the way to meters, feet to meters, and it mentions the rest that we need in here. So we'll start out with 17.0 acres. We're going to multiply that by this fraction of how many acres. One acre is equal to 43,600 feet squared. Multiply that by 1 foot, 12 inches, following that same pattern as we did in all the other videos. Of course, we have to square it though, because that's just how this unit, the units that we're dealing with are all squared, and so we want our units to be squared as well. It's going to have this many more square inches in it in a square foot. So now that we are in square inches, we're going to move to centimeters, square centimeters. So 1 inch has this many centimeters in it. We want to square it as well. Then we multiply this by 100 centimeters in the denominator and 1 meter in the numerator. Square it again. And then we're going to divide this by 100 meters for 1 hectare. All right, so now we have all of this. We'll just go ahead and put this into the calculator, and that should give us how many hectares are in this singular acre. I'm kind of just putting in here. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. But yeah, when it's divided by 1, you can kind of just leave that out. And let's not forget to square our stuff. Again, I'm just doing that for the sake of everyone's understanding. I'm going to multiply that by that squared, and then we have 1 over 100 squared going into that, equaling the hectares. So 17 acres is equal to 6.89 hectares.